Morning guys, I just did my skincare routine, so I'm looking very oily, but like it's okay. I'm off today and I'm gonna be like cleaning up around the house and that kind of thing, so I kind of wanted to do like a clean my college apartment with me, making the bed, doing all of that, so I just thought I would bring you along with me. Also, I'm drinking my Celsius, and I talked about this in my last vlog, but I never like said why I like it. I think I was just in a rush because I was going to work, but I just wanted to share with you guys a really like good thing about Celsius is it provides energy. Celsius is free of high fructose corn syrup, has no aspartame, no preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors, zero sugar, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan certified, like literally everything. And it also has vitamins in it, so I just really like enjoy this stuff. I feel like it's so much better than coffee, and it doesn't leave me like jittery and anxious, so would highly recommend. I get mine from Sprouts or Target. Whole Foods like near me doesn't carry it, which is annoying, so I wish they would. So first I'm going to start with like straightening up the kitchen. This is the place that like gets most easily like cluttered, I guess, so I always like to start with the kitchen. So I'm making some lunch right now and listening to a podcast. I'm listening to the Rise podcast by Rachel Hollis. Oh, it's so bright out here. So I was watering all of my plants, and we are having like severe heat today. We're like under heat warning or something like that. So I'm like literally sweating, but I watered all of my little plants. Some of them usually go inside, but I'm letting them drain out. I'm making lunch right now. I'm using some frozen broccoli and some zucchini to make like some dish. I don't know. I'm just trying to like use up the vegetables that I have so they don't go to waste. So right now I'm gonna steam those, and I was just checking in with you guys while I listen to my podcast. So it's 1:16 and I just finished making my lunch. I'm gonna eat this right now. I have the jalapeno apple sausage from Trader Joe's that I showed in my last vlog, some zucchini, some broccoli, and kale. And I added just like a little bit of garlic, some salt and pepper, and some red pepper flakes. So I'm gonna do a little like light makeup because I'm gonna film a video today and I look like a wet dog. And I showed this in my last video, but this thing is my favorite for when I'm applying makeup because it like pulls my hair like all back. Without it, I always get like hairs like going through my makeup while I'm doing it. So this like pulls it away from your face, and I use this when I wash my face too. Works really good. Except I still have hair out. There you go. And I actually got this when I bought my makeup eraser like towel. This came with it too, which is like the same material. So I will link it down below. It's like a kit. It comes with both if it's still available. If not, I'll just put the makeup eraser by itself. But I highly recommend that as well. I already have my squalene oil on, so now I'm just gonna put on 2 pumps of the It Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm in the shade medium, and I'm using my wet and dirty beauty blender. is the finished makeup look. Natural, glowy, and I just like to like accentuate my features that I have and not accentuate the features that I do not have. So this is that. And I'm gonna take this off and put on something more ready for the heat warning that we are having in Dallas, Texas, which is basically walking outside naked. Like, I don't know like what I'm supposed to wear when it's like that. Also, that lighting is terrible. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Here's my cats. They're having heyday. So outfit of the day, very messy hair, my hoop earrings from ASOS that I showed in my last vlog. Necklace is American Threads. This now distressed because my cat clawed me when I was wearing it, so now I just pretend it's supposed to be that way. It's from ASOS. Shorts are from Urban, and the Vans that everyone and their mother owns. So I'm going to run out and do some errands. I want to go buy home goods, and I also need to get a new camera battery because this one is the worst ever. And if only you knew how much effort I was having to put in every clip today, because it shuts off every like 10 seconds. So A for effort, real YouTuber, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to refill my lemon water because it's hot, and go. So I got a new camera battery. This is a test, technically, but I think it's working well. Yay. I love not having to be stressed about this. So now I'm going to run to Home Goods. I want to just like look, which is how it always goes, and then I end up spending money that I, you know, otherwise wouldn't spend, but we're gonna go anyway just for fun. And yeah, it's very hot out. I have sweat. It says, like, my weather thing said that it feels like it's 112 outside. So if that puts it into perspective for you, that's pretty hot. So we're doing well. Okay, so I just left Home Goods. And that's probably like the only time in a while that I've like left empty-handed, and I would just like to say I am so proud of my self-control. Wow. I'm a full woman. So I just finished filming a skincare video. That'll be up very soon, so y'all will see that. I used a stool as my prop to hold it because my tripod is in my car, so we got super creative today. But anyways, I'm getting very hungry, so I'm probably going to cook some dinner now. I think I'm gonna have some brown rice penne pasta with some kale and broccoli and my Rayo's tomato sauce, because that is my favorite, and it's on sale at Whole Foods right now. So this video, when it first goes up, definitely go there because that is such a good deal. That stuff never goes on sale. So I basically have bulk of it right now, which is not a bad problem to have because it is the best pasta sauce, and there's only like 5 ingredients. They're super clean, and I just love the taste of it. It's so good. So this is the finished product. It is brown rice pasta penne, and some kale is in there. You can't see it. I think it's mostly at the bottom. And then just the Rayo's tomato basil pasta sauce, and I added some red pepper flakes. So I have just been editing for the last like 3 hours since dinner, and now I'm watching some YouTube, and I'm gonna end this vlog. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today. Definitely leave any like comments or questions or suggestions or anything at all down below. Let me know any requests or anything you'd like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, look how peaceful it is in here at night. We have the twinkly lights above the doors that go to the balcony, a cute cat, and more twinkly lights. And now I'm about to clean up my giant mess from dinner and go to bed. Marlo, say goodnight. Marlo's falling asleep too.